Hello everybody, I welcome all of you to our English class. Today we will learn the Missile Man of India, paragraph 4, 5 and 6. In last class we have covered paragraph 1, 2 and 3. Let us come to read the 4, 5, 6. Kalam then moved to the Squat Higher Secondary School for his secondary education. After finishing his primary education, he went to study more and joined Squat Higher Secondary School for secondary education. In his school years, he had average grades but was considered a bright, hardworking student. ସ୍କୁଲ ସମୟରେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିଲା ବେଳେ ଜଣେ ତାଙ୍କର ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଯେଉଁ ସେ ଜଣେ ସାଧାରଣ ସ୍ତରର ଛାତ୍ର ଥିଲେ, ମାତ୍ର ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେ ନିପୁଣ ଓ ପରିଶ୍ରମୀ ଛାତ୍ର ଭାବେ ବିବେଚିତ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା। ଆଭରେଜ ଗ୍ରେଡ୍ସ ସାଧାରଣ ଛାତ୍ର ଥିଲେ, ଆଭରେଜ ଗ୍ରେଡ୍ସ ହୁ ହାଡ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଡିଜାୟାର ଟୁ ଲର୍ନ, ଯାହାଙ୍କର ଦୃଢ଼ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଶକ୍ତି ଥିଲା କିଛି ପଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ, କିଛି ଶିଖିବା ପାଇଁ। ହି ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଟ hours on studies. He spent hours on studies and especially mathematics. She giving more attention only the subject is mathematics. He is doing hard labor. ସେ ଅଧିକ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରୁଥିଲେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାରେ, ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଭାବରେ ଗଣିତରେ ବେଶୀ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଉଥିଲେ। After completing his studies here, after finishing her higher secondary education, Kalam was admitted to St. Joseph College, first primary school, then secondary school, then went to college. The college name was St. Joseph's College, which was situated at Tiruchirappalli, where he graduated in physics in 1954. In St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli, he got his graduation certificate in physics in 1954. His dream in life was to become a pilot. His aim was to be a pilot. So he applied for studying engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. His dream was to become a pilot. Only for this, he applied for studying engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. He was selected. But education at such a prestigious institution was so noisy. The institution is a prestigious institution and expensive affair. It was an expensive affair. ए अनुष्ठान पाठ पढ़िया ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ ଏ ସମ୍ମାନୀୟ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଏତେ ସହଜ ନଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏଇଟା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ବହୁଳ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଥିଲା। Around 1,000 rupees was required to pay toward the course fee. ଏଠି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବା ହେଲେ ସେ ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ପାଖାପାଖି 1,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆବଶ୍ୟକ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ କୋର୍ସ ଫି ବାବଦରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଏତେ ପଇସା ନଥିଲା, ସେ ତ ଗରିବ ଥିଲେ, ତେଣୁ ଏହି କାମରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେ ସହଯୋଗ କରିଥିଲେ, ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଅସୀମ ଜୋହରା, his compassionate elder sister. Compassionate elder sister. Compassionate means very kind-hearted and sympathetic. Kind-hearted or sympathetic lady is his sister. Elder sister, compassionate elder sister came to help him. And Asima Johara mortgaged his gold ornaments. Mortgaged his gold ornaments, or mortgaged means give some good or property to someone lending the money. जोटा ओडिया कहते बंधा देवा, कि जिनस रखा से मो पाखे ता बदल किसी पैसा आने। सी mortgaged her gold ornaments, सुना अलंकार को बंधा रखिले for his admission fee, and he means Kalam completed his aerospace engineering in 1960. 1960 रे एरोस्पेस इंजीनियर का पाठ पढ़ा काम सारी ले एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग। Kalam began his career as a trainee at the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore. Bangalore now is called Bangalore. କାଲାମ ତାଙ୍କର ଶିକ୍ଷାର ପରିସମାପ୍ତି ପରେ ସେ HAL ହିନ୍ଦୁସ୍ତାନ ଏରୋନଟିକ୍ସ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼ରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଚାକିରି ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ, ବୃତ୍ତି ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ। ଦେନ୍ ହି ଜଏନ୍ଡ ଦ ଡିଫେନ୍ସ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍ ଆଜ୍ ଏ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ। ଡିଫେନ୍ସ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ Development Organization, the short form is DRDO. से तापरे से डिफेन्स रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन DRDO रे जने वैज्ञानिक हिसाब रे जोगदेले। In 1969 he was transferred to Indian Space Research Organization where he worked as the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 DRDO रे से डिफेन्स DRDO रे जने साइंटिस्ट जॉइन कले एवं 1969 रे से इसरो को ट्रांसफर हेले। ये ट्रांसफर टू इसरो एवं सेटा से प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर रूप रे कार्य कले द फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट लॉन्च व्हीकल SLV-3। The students, you have to remember some abbreviations, that is HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, DRDO Defense Research Development Organization, ISRO Indian Space Research Organization. These are the abbreviations, short form you have to remember in full form. The purpose of the SLV satellite launch vehicle. The purpose of the aim of SLV was to develop the technology to launch satellite. SLV-3 ଆଉ SLV ତାର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଥିଲା SLV କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ SLV କୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା ନା SLV ଟୁ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ଏମିତି ଜ୍ଞାନ କୌଶଳ ଆମେ ଉନ୍ନତି କରାଇବା ଯେ ସବୁ ସାଟେଲାଇଟ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସିଏ ପ୍ରେରଣ କରିପାରିବ, ପ୍ରେରଣ କରିପାରିବ। It was under Dr. Kalam's direct guidance and supervision that the first Rohini satellite was successfully launched into the orbit in 1980. One thing you have to remember, Rohini satellite SLV एका समय 4टी उपग्रह प्रेरण कराइथिला, 3टी सफल होइथिला, गोटे मात्र असफल होइथिला। It was under Kalam's direct guidance. कालामଙ୍କର प्रत्यक्ष तत्त्वावधान रे तदारख रे रोहिणी सैटेलाइट को सक्सेसफुल सफलता सहकारे कक्षपथ 1980 मसीह रे अवस्थापित प्रेरण कराइथिला। After spending 19 fruitful years in ISRO रे दीर्घ 19 वर्ष कार्य करसिला परे सफलता सह दीर्घ 19 वर्ष कार्य करसिला परे Kalam returned to the DRDO to head the country's integrated missile development program, the short form रे IGMDP, Integrated Missile Development Program. Kalam ISRO रे 19 वर्ष कटे सारा परे Kalam पुणी DRDO को प्रत्यावर्तन कले फेरिले जे इंटीग्रेटेड मिसाइल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम मुख्य हिसाब रे। He took a leading role in the development of Indian missile and a nuclear weapon program. एठी कलाम भारत क्षेपणास्त्र और नाभिकीय अस्त्रशस्त्र कार्यक्रम विकास रे प्रमुख भूमिका ग्रहण करथिले। DRDO He took a leading role, प्रमुख भूमिका ग्रहण कले, नेतृत्व नेले, प्रमुख भूमिका ग्रहण कले। The program was very successful. एठारे तांको नेतृत्व रे तांको समस्त कार्यक्रम बहुत सफलता सह आगे चला और सफल हेले। It led to the development of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag. ये जो इंटीग्रेटेड मिसाइल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम रे से आसिकी काम कले नेतृत्व नेले नेतृत्व में चारोटी मिसाइल पृथ्वी त्रिशूल आकाश नाग प्रस्तुत है। ये चारोटी नेतृत्व में चारोटी मिसाइल व क्षेपणास्त्र प्रस्तुत है। द सक्सेस ऑफ द प्रोग्राम मेड एक्सट्रीमली पॉपुलर इन द कंट्री। ये जो कार्यक्रम सफलता सारा देश में लोकप्रिय करदेला, जनप्रिय करदेला, लोकप्रिय करदेला। हियर आफ्टर या ठारू ही वाज पॉपुलरली कॉल्ड द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया। लोक माने अति लोकप्रिय जनप्रिय हिसाब से कलाम बोले संबोधन न करी से सर्वसाधारण आगे मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया भाव परिचित हेले। जे भारतर क्षेपणास्त्र मानव बोली कहगला। क्षेपणास्त्र मानव कलाम को क्षेपणास्त्र विकास क्षेत्र में कलाम को अवदान अतीव महान।